Here I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to find the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. So let's just simply use some thumb tag or special eject tool to open this slot. Let's just press it. So let me show you. Let me press it right here. Alright, now you can remove the whole tray and here you can insert two SIM cards. So let's insert only the one Nano SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. So you need to place this card in that position. Alright, let me show you again. The characteristic edge right here, you have to put it right here. Alright, now let me put the whole thing in that position to the device. Let me leave one slot empty, let me just use one SIM card. Sorry, I'm doing this the wrong way, I need to do it that way. So let me put the whole thing right here. Alright, and let's press it to the end. Now let's press the power key. And wait until the smartphone will be ready to use. Excellent, now you can unlock the device. You can wait until the device will find the mobile network connection, and that's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.